guys, welcome back to my channel. And no, don't click off. Don't click off. It's still me, Hema here. Chucky hasn't taken over the gold hourglass. I promise. So today I decided to, have a little chat with you guys about this hair. Just do a fun extra makeup look with you guys. I've already gotten my base done, as you can tell. My skin's not 15 different shades and they seem to be nice to each other. So let's get started. I am going to go in and start doing my eyes. So far I've had this hair for 3 days, and one thing I've learned: short hair doesn't mean easy life for someone like me, because I thought I was stubborn and then I met my hair. It won't freaking lay down, and I'm just like, okay, I'll just go out looking like a monster doll from a movie. No big deal. Why would I ever want to look like anything else? I honestly think I'm going to end up buying more hair products for the short hair of mine than I did my long hair. Like, seriously. I was that girl whose hair that, was just pretty. I didn't have to do anything. My curls looked good 80% of the time, but I went ahead and bleached it and damaged it. That I was getting really sick of it. And also my hair and scalp were not taking the climate change very well. Like, moving in the middle of winter and trying to get my hair to readjust was kind of insane. My scalp just started going crazy, and I'm just going for a super neutral base for my eye because I want to put on quite a bit of eyeliner. And of course, oh wait, next I'm gonna do kind of a cut crease. Okay, now that the eye base is done, I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. Okay, one side is done. There's always the second side that's hell. Shoot. Okay, nothing happened. I have a feeling this is as good as it's gonna get. So let's not push our luck. And then we're gonna take our crease brush from earlier and buff out the bottom lash line. Okay, now that we're practically done with the eyes, I'm gonna go in and contour, blush, and highlight, and all of that. Where's my contour? I must say though, having short hair just means that my neck never feels sticky and icky, and I feel so much cooler. I'm kind of liking that. I don't know if it's good enough reason for me to keep my hair short for a long term, but I am not complaining about that portion of it all. The amount I sweat has just like reduced significantly. But then I walked into an air-conditioned room at work and I'm like, oh, I'm cold. I would like a scarf right now. So everything has its pros and cons. Next I'm going in with blush, and I feel like with short hair, blush is so much more important because there is no part of your face that's hiding, so you need to constantly keep adding life to it. Especially when you look like Chucky's bride, it's kind of necessary. And also, isn't the overly blush look totally in 2020? Next, we're gonna highlight. Also, there is nothing like natural, unprocessed roots that will show you just exactly how quickly you're graying. No, I'm not joking. I'm too young to go gray, and I know it doesn't look like it, but I have far too many white hairs everywhere. Just gonna blend with the brush we used for the blush, because you don't want the lines to be super harsh. And finally, we're going in with the lips. I think I found a look that I would love wearing when I'm going out. Obviously, I won't wear this every day, but I love the glowy, blushy look that I have going on. And comment down below, let me know what you think about the hair. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this makeup look. And I would love it if you guys subscribe to my channel, because I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. And also do share with me your craziest, hairstyling, haircut story, because let's be real, we've all done it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till I see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.